and welcome to the ranch. On our property, we try to grow everything that we can so that we don't have to go to the grocery store and purchase things, and we're getting closer to that goal. We grow our own vegetables, which you see behind us. We raise our own meat, but one thing that we've never actually talked about was our fruit. And so in today's episode, I want to take you on a journey with me, because we're going to do something that I'm not really sure whether it will or won't work. Tonight, we're going to be looking at our fruit trees. In the front of our property, we have two different types. We have peaches and we have plums, and this is our peach tree here. And what I want to try to do is I want to try to take a branch and make it another tree. Because sometimes when you go out and buy trees, you put a lot of money into it. I want to make this tree duplicate other trees so that I don't have to put any more money out. And that's really the goal, is to manage our finances and make sure that we're being wise over the finances we have. Because it can become expensive to keep planting trees. I know, because this is my third try with peaches and other trees. I never had much luck here in this area until my brother-in-law helped kind of fine-tune what I was doing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make these branches become trees for us. So it's been 45 days roughly, and now we are going to cut the zip ties off and basically just reverse the process. Take the cotton off, undo the toilet paper, and let's see if this branch rooted into the toilet paper. I'm so excited to see if this works, because if it does, I have a lot more branches that I can trim off and potentially make trees, which ultimately can become an orchard, and it can be a renewable source for me to sell fruit or make money off of a tree that is basically, it's one tree becoming many. So let's get at it. Looks like it is trying to grow. Look.
What's a big animal?
Does it look like that to you? You can say record
Yeah.
if you want.
Looks like it was trying to hold it still. Yeah, it looks like it was trying to, maybe just a little more time.
After we uncovered our wrapping, we realized that there are some buds that are starting to pop out on this branch. And by the way, this process is called air layering or propagating. And so after further investigation, it looks like we just need to give it some more time. So what we'll do is we'll rewrap, as we see our helper here doing. We're going to rewrap it and leave it for about another month, and then come back to do a part 2 on this video to see if in fact it takes. And if it doesn't, then that's okay too. One thing that we wanted to show with our video here is sometimes there is trial and error. It's not always a win each time we do something. The big message about that is don't quit and don't give up. If this works, it's going to be awesome. If it doesn't, we're going to find another way to make it work. But what we won't do is we won't quit and we won't give up. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate all of your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. Keep coming back, share it with your friends, and always leave those comments. We love reading the comments and responding back. We love that relationship that we're starting to build with you. So thank you again. Until next time, peace. Then that means I have a lot of branches that I can now make more. Are you being a creep back there? I like turned around and he's like, hey, don't be breathing like Darth Vader, Abigail. I thought somebody farted. So we really appreciate you checking out this video. Thanks for coming out each and every time to watch our video. I'm going to say video 13 times before we get to that. Oh, hold up. If you can't do it, you need to let Big Poppy do. I hope you learned something. If nothing else, just don't quit. Don't give up. And hopefully you will continue your... I don't even know. Are you still recording or is it a new one?